Good morning students, welcome back to the online class of Hebron. Students, in previous videos we studied about the method of calculation. The data that given to us, we understood that the calculation method is useful when the data is in a quantitative form. But in business, industries, social science, we need to deal with some qualitative data like beauty, dance, music, morality, honesty. So friends, we cannot measure them in a numbers, or we cannot give them numbers, but instead we can give them a rank. So Charles Spearman has given a method to find the correlation between two qualitative data, or says the attributes. So it is based on the rank. So we can say it a method of Spearman, or we can say the method of rank correlation. So now let's start with the sum. Open your textbook, page number 99, exercise 2.3, question number 1. 6 companies are ranked by the two market analysts on the basis of their growth in the recent past. So company A, B, C, D, E, F, the rank by analyst 1 and rank by analyst 2 is given in the question. So we have the first column, question number 1, the company A, B, C, D, E, F, then rank given by analyst 1, we denoted it with Rx, rank given by analyst 2, we denoted it by rank Y. Now, as you see in a formula, the formula is 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1. So we need to find the d. What is the d? D is the difference between ranks given by the two analysts. So d is nothing but the Rx minus Ry. So the value of Rx is 5 and value of Ry is 6. So 5 minus 6, that is minus 1. 2 minus 4, minus 2. 1 minus 3, again minus 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. 6 minus 5, that is 1. Now d square is the square of d. So square of 1 is 1. Then 4, 4, 4, 4 and 1. Finally, the sum of d square is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 for the 16, 17 and 18. So this is the sum of d square. Now let's input this value into the formula. So 1 minus 6, the sum of d square, that is 18, divided by n. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 companies are there. 6 square minus 1. Let's complete the sum. 18 6 18 into 6, that is 108, divided by 6 square, that is 36, minus 1 is 35. So 1 minus 108 divided by, it is 210. Now 1 minus, let's divide 108 by 210 is equal to 0.51. Now the final answer is 1 minus 0.51 will get 0.49. So it is the rank correlation with the method of Spearman, or can say the method of rank correlation. Students, this is the easiest method. So what are the characteristics of the rank correlation? Number 1, it is easy to understand. Number 2, it is easy to calculate compared to the calculation, and it is the only method which deal with the qualitative data, or say attribute. Now let's come to the next one. The following information is obtained by the survey conducted by a town planning committee of a state. City A, B, C, D, E. The population in lakh and rate of growth in per thousand is given in the question. Find the rank correlation coefficient between the populations. The rank correlation, the word is mentioned. Students, in the first question and in the second question, the rank is already given. But now you can see in third question the rank is not given. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 cities are there. If we give them number, we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But instead, the number is given. So first of all, before calculating or finding the correlation, we need to give them rank. So how to give them rank? Students, in your class, the student who got highest score will be given the rank first. Same as in the population, the highest number is 57. So we will give the first rank to it. The second one is 45. Third one, that is 18. Then 14 is given as 4. And finally, it is 5. So 57 is the highest rank. Okay, highest number. So we give them the first rank. Then 45 is the second, and so on. Now, in rate of growth per thousand, the highest number is 20. So we will give the rank first. Then 15, we will give the rank 2. Then 13, it is 3. 10, that is 4. And finally 5. Now D is the difference of Rx and Ry. So Rx is given, Ry is given. So find the difference. 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 2, that is 1. And finally, it is 0. Now, D square is the square of D. So 4, 1, 0, 1, 0. 4, 5, 6. Sigma D square is equal to 6. Now, let's input this value into the formula. So 1 minus 6, the sum of D square, that is 6, upon, there are 5 cities, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is equal to 5. Again n is equal to 5 square minus 1. So 1 minus 6, 6 are 36. Now 5 square, that is 25, minus 1, it is 24. So 1 minus 36, 24 5s are 120. 24 5s are, yes, that is 120. Now let's divide 36 by 120. So 36 divided by 120 will get 0.3, and our final answer is 0.7. Okay, hope you understand the sum. Let's come to the next one. Okay, so students, we give the rank if it is not given. So now come to the page number 95, illustration number 23. It is the longest sum, so I choose this number intentionally. What happened if the number is repeating? For example, if 2 of the students in a class got equal marks, to whom we give the first and to whom we give the second. So let's understand the whole concept. Here is the question where the sales and profits are given. Now students, you can see that some of the numbers are repeating. For example, you can see 58 and 58. So 58 is repeating. Then 25 and 25, it is also repeating. In the second column, you can see 65, 65, 65. It is also repeating. So it is the different method. Still it is rank correlation, but the method of calculation is different. So let's solve it. Again, we will start with the highest number. So the highest cells is 215. So we give the first rank to it. Then 162 will give the second rank. Next one, that is 90, it is the third. 72, it is the fourth. Now 58 and 58 is repeating. So up to now we gave the numbers from 1 to 4 and 58 is repeating. So there is a tie between number 5 and number 6. There is a tie between number 5 and number 6. To whom we give number 5 and to whom we give number 6. To solve this problem, we will give them the average of both the numbers. For example, we have a tie between 5 and 6. So average of 5 and 6. So 5 plus 6 divided by 2 will get 5.5. Will give the average to both of them. Okay. So we have a tie between 5 number and 6 number. We'll find the average of 5 and 6. Will get 5.5 and will give the 5.5 rank to both of them. Now students, we gave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So up to now we gave 6 ranks. Now it is turn of 7. Again you can see, so 25 is repeating. So to whom we give the rank 7 and to whom we give the rank 8. Again there is a tie between 7 number and 8 number. We will give the average to both of them. So 7 plus 8 divided by 2 we get 7.5 and we will give the equal rank to both of them. Now it's time of rank y. So the highest number is 500, we will give the first rank. Then 340, it is second. Then 220, it is third. Then 140, it is fourth. 115, number 5. Now 65 is remaining. So up to now we gave the numbers from 1 to 5. There is a tie between 6, 7 and 8 number. So the average of 6, 7 and 8. So 6 plus 7 plus 8 divided by 3 will get 7. So we will give equal rank to all of them. Right? Now next one is D, that is Rx minus Ry. So Rx 7.5 minus Ry 7 is 0.5. 5.5 minus 4 is 1.5. 1 minus 1, 0. 4 minus 5, minus 1. 5.5 minus 7, that is 6 and 1 minus 1.5. Again, that is 0.5, 0, 0. Now the square of 0.5 is 0.25, 1.5, 2.25, then 0, 1, 2.25, 0.25, 0, 0. So the sum is 6. Now, as the number is repeating, we need to calculate the correction factor. It is known as CF. So what is correction factor? We know that some of the observations are repeating. So which observation are repeating? In cells 58 and 25 are repeating. So 25 and 58, these two numbers are repeating in cells. In profit, you can see the 65 is repeating. So repeated observation is 65. Now how many times are they repeating? So 20 is repeating 2 times, right? 25 and 25. Again 58 is repeating 2 times while 65 is repeating 3 times. So 58 2 times and 65 3 times. Now friend, the number of times the observation repeated, we found it. It is denoted as m. Let's use this value into the next formula. The formula is m cube minus m upon 12. So when we took 2 instead of m, so 2 cube, that is 8, minus 2, 6, divide by 12, it is 0.5. 2 cube, that is 8, minus 2, 8 minus 2, 6, divide by 12, it is half, 0.5. Again 2 cube minus 2 upon 12 will get 0.5. Now 3, so 3 cube, 3 into 3, that is 27, minus 3, 24, divided by 12, so 12 twos are. So the sum is 3. This is called CF, the correction factor. Now there is a different formula for this: 1 minus 6 sigma d square plus CF upon n square minus 1. Let's input all this value into the formula. 1 minus 6 sigma d square. So the sigma d square is 6 plus correction factor, it is 3, divided by n, 8. Okay, so we have 8 observation: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right. Now 1 minus 6, 6 plus 3, that is 9, upon 8. Now 8 square, 64, minus 1, 63. So 1 minus 54 upon 63 into 8, 504. So 1 minus 54 divided by 504, it is 0.11, and the final answer is 0.89. So we use all three methods of rank correlations. Now let's go further. Question number 7. 10 contestants are ranked in a beauty contest by 2 judges, and the sum of squares of differences in the rank is found to be 214. 10 contestants. So n is equal to 10. Now sigma d square is given 214. What is d? D is a difference. Then square is a d square. The sum is sigma. So sum of squares of differences is given 214. Find the rank correlation. The formula of rank correlation: 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1. So 1 minus 6 sigma d square, that's 214 upon 10 square minus 1. So 1 minus 1284 divided by 10. Now 10 square is 100 minus 1, 99. So 1 minus 1284 upon 990. So 1 minus 1284 divided by 990 will get 1.3. So 1 minus 1.3, the correlation is minus 0.3. Let's come to the last question of the exercise. Question number 8. The coefficient of rank correlation of the marks obtained by 10 students in 2 particular subjects was found to be 0.5. Rank correlation of marks obtained 10 students. So n is equal to 10 again. Then the coefficient of rank correlation. The rank correlation is already given. So R is equal to 0.5. Now later on it was found that one of the difference of the ranks of the students was 7, but it was taken as 3. So after finding the correlation, we found that one of the observation is mistaken. So the original rank was 7 and taken as 3. So if there is a change in taking the rank, but naturally the difference we can see in a d square, sigma d square. So first off, let's find the sigma d square. Formula is 1 minus 6 sigma t square upon n square minus 1. Now r is given 0.5. 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n, that is 10 square minus 1. So 0.5 is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square. Now 10 square is 100 minus 1, 99 into 10, that is 990. Now let's interchange both these values. We will get 6 sigma d square upon 990 is equal to 1 minus 0.5. So 0.5 is positive value. When we change the side, we will get the minus 0.5. And minus 6 sigma d square, it is negative value. When we change the side, it will become the positive. Now 6 sigma d square upon 990. So 1 minus 0.5, it is 0.5. So sigma d square is 0.5. Change the side of 990, it is in a denominator. When we change the side, it will be on numerator. Again, change the side of 6, it is on numerator. When we change the side, it will go to the denominator. So 0.5 into 990 divided by 6, and we'll get sigma d square is equal to 82.5. But now students, it is not correct because the rank is mistaken. So first of all, we have to rectify it. So rectify sigma d square is equal to 82.5. Whatever the wrong rank, we will subtract it from sigma d square. So here given that it was found that one of the difference of the rank of students was 7, but it was taken as 3. So 3 is the wrong rank, and 7 is the correct one. So we will subtract the wrong one and add the correct one. But it is square. So the 3 square and 7 square. Now 82.5 minus 9 plus 49. We will get 122.5. Again students, we need to input the formula. So r is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1. Finally 6 sigma d square, 6 sigma d square, that is rectified sigma d square 122.5 upon n, that is n. So 1 minus 122.6, 122.5 into 6, we will get 735 upon 990. So 735 divided by 990 will get 0.74, and the final answer is 0.26. So students, hope you enjoyed the lecture, understood all the concepts that we discussed today. Thank you.